Okay, so just you can start. So today we are going to understand how Azure is going to store the data in cloud. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So in Azure there is another service which is called a storage service. So for a storage service we have to create an account. So go to the storage service and let's create an account. In a search box, just type storage account. Good. Click create a storage account. Good. So select your resource group. Good. Now you have to type the storage account name. All should be a small letter and it should be unique. So maybe you can type your name and then type some number.
I type what?
Any number to make it
Oh,
unique. Yeah, I think, yeah, I say good. It means that this name is not used by any other user. Okay. And then we have a location which is called East US. Then we have a performance. So we are selecting the standard performance. So our charges will be less. And then in a replication, just drop down, select the lowest one. We will discuss all this when we are actually into the theoretical session. So select at this point of time LRS. LRS means first one. LRS means it is going to create 3 copy of your data. Okay.
okay.
Now just go set next networking. So this storage account is going to be accessed by all over the network, any part of the globe. Okay. Just go to the data protection. So by default, when we are working on a storage account, we have something called as a blob. In a blob, we have so many features. For an example, if by mistake, when you delete any file from the storage, you can still recover the file within a specified time. So let's say, for example, you want to turn on soft delete for blob. Just click the second checkpoint. Second one, and let's say give it for, it's saying that whenever you delete any file and folder, it will go unstored for 7 days and then it will actually delete it. So within 7 days, you still have a chance to recover it. Okay, right? So in many companies, it was configured for 15 years. For example, in US, the law said that if you have a data, you must have to keep your data for 7 years. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So as of now, we make it the 7 days only. Just the next advance. Then it will by default enable all kind of a security for you. Okay. Just say next tag, click review and create.
Do you have to write anything here or no?
Yeah, just okay. You can just leave it.
Okay.
So it means that in Azure, no matter are you creating a virtual machine or a storage account or any other further services, all have a same UI, right? It's a same dashboard.
Yeah.
Just click create. While in AWS, you have every service is a different.
Mm.
You get a different screen for every service. Okay. It is going to create a storage account for you. It's done. Go to the resource. Very good. So now you have created a storage account. Within the storage account, you have an option to create a four type of a storage. One is called container. Second is called file share. Third is called tables. Four is called queue. Okay. So let's start with container. So click container one. Container is just like a folder. Okay. So just create a container there. You have a top plus container. Good. Now just type a name. For example, this container is for sales department. So just type sales. Okay. So all the sales user will use this container to store their data. Okay. And then you select at the access level. You have a three kind of an access. One is private, means only you can see. Second is a blob. Only the file within the container can be accessible. Last one is a container level. Container level means anything within the container can be accessible. So we are going to select the third one. Okay, click that one. Perfect. Click create. Very good. So now you created a container. Okay. So just click the sales container. Now see you have an upload button there. Good. Now when you click the upload button, you get something called upload blob. In Azure, whatever the file you are going to store is known as a blob. So now you see that there is a one blue button. Just click that blue button. Now upload any file which you want. Good. Say upload. Now the difference between a file and a blob. So generally when you have a file in your laptop, it has certain attributes. Okay. But that attributes does not have anything called URL. When the same file you upload in blob storage, it has a new attribute that is called a URL. So click your file name, resume, Anju. Just click this file. Yeah, click this one. Now see that it opens a certain attribute, right? When it is created, what is the version, what is the size of the file, correct? Plus you see a new attribute which is called URL. Able to see the URL? Just copy the URL. Copy this URL.
Okay.
And this URL now you can share to anyone by any media. Anyone who wants to access this file, they just paste this URL in the browser. So just go and paste the URL in a browser, new tab. Yeah, press enter. So now your whole thing has get open, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So this
Yeah.
is how you can store your data in a storage, and you can share with that. If you want to stop the sharing, no one should access it. Go back to your Azure portal again. Azure portal. I think first time, yeah. Now you see that on your file there is something called change access label. Change access label. Yeah, click that one. Change access label.
Is
No,
that
not here. Close this one. Close this one. Yeah. Select your file. You have a checkbox. Click the checkbox. No, 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 no. Don't click. Select the checkbox. Yes. Now on top, you see there is an option just after the upload, change access label, right? Click that one and change from container to private. The first one. Click OK. Now copy the URL again, paste in the browser.
sir? The background noise is a little bit getting to me.
Yeah, the kids is playing in a park.
I know that's the thing.
Now you won't be able, okay? It will never access.
Hmm.
Correct now?
Yeah,
So
because you
now
made it
let's
private. Okay.
again change the access level and try again.
Make it black or container.
Just click container. Arrow. Is clear now, Anju?
Pretty, yeah, it's clear.
So this is how you can use the storage in Azure to store your data. Okay,
Yeah.
to store your data. Now go back and let's have a one more service to check. Go back to Azure portal.
Hmm?
Go back to home. Go back and just type here app service.
Is it absence?
App APP. Fourth one. This service is used to host the website, okay, without any server. Okay, you remember when we creating a virtual machine, we install a web server, right? And then only we can run the website. But
Yeah.
app service will say that without installing a web server, you can run a website. So just click create app service. Very good. Let's select a resource group. Good. Select your app service name. So whatever the website name do you want?
You can put my name too.
Yeah, I think someone has already taken your name. Good. Now, in which language your application is written, in which language your website is configured, you have to select the runtime stack. So scroll down and click runtime stack. Oh, refresh it again. Just say cancel. No, I think something happened to the internet. Can you again type portal.azure.com? Yeah. Say leave. Okay. Just click app service again. Good. Good. In a runtime stack, select anything. Let's say, for example, I select Java. Maybe Java 8. Okay. Scroll down. Select again. East US. Good. Now go to the change size and select the size S1. Oh, it's only showing P1, V2. Okay, just click apply. No worry. Click apply and click next monitoring. Now it's all done. Click review and create. Click create. Now with three services, right? You understand how to what is virtual machine on a cloud, what is a storage on a cloud. Now you are seeing the app service on a cloud. I think you have a good overview to start the more in depth. Okay, in Azure.
I have a question.
Yeah,
But you uploaded the classes. Where do we go and get it? Is that in the playlist?
yeah. So go to YouTube first.
Yeah, I'm in YouTube in my phone.
Okay, so you have to first subscribe.
Yeah, I already subscribed.
Subscribe. Which ID you have used?
My regular one, Preeti John0518 at gmail.com.
Hold on, let me check. Go to a playlist.
Yeah, I'm in the playlist.
In a playlist, you should see Azure Architect ARCH USA 141. Azure Architect USA 141.
I don't see that. Maybe let me search it.
No, in a playlist,
Yeah,
just say
I'm in the
Azure
playlist.
Architect USA 141. Able to get that one?
Oh, I couldn't see it. I'm still in the playlist, but and
Go
I
back to
don't
your
see.
laptop.
Yeah.
The laptop opened up. You have to log in first. Now search take place consulting. Yeah, click that one. Take place consulting. Go to playlist. Azure architect. Scroll down. Or just in a but there is so many more than 100 playlists we have. So just in a search box, go up, scroll up. In a search box, you have an after about. Just type Azure a space ARCH. A space. Give a space.
Space.
Yeah. ARCH. Press enter. Why it's not showing to you? 1 second. Huh? Excellent. Sort by last alphabet. So the last alphabet. Yeah, no, this is AWS. AWS. Not able to see now. 1 second now.
No.
Just 1 second. What is the problem we have? See the video. Hold on, let me ping you the ID. Just click this one. Just click this link.
Which link?
I send on a chat box. You get that one? Hold on. Open that video.
Let's see one minute.
One second. I think that there is something we did in a channel itself. It is not showing the channel, right?
Mm-mm.
It's only showing the videos. So 1 second. 141. Yeah, I make the changes now. Now can you go back to playlist again? Now check. Do you have a playlist available? Yeah, I'm able to see now. Go back to the playlist here. In the playlist, let's refresh it. Hold on. It should come on the top itself.
Oh,
How to search a playlist? One second. Let me send all video on a link on a you on a chat itself. Okay. So one video link you get. Now this is a second video link. Maybe you can. So I send one more link to you. Okay. I will do one thing. I post everything on your WhatsApp. Okay.
okay, yeah, that's much better.
Yeah. So that you can So let me copy all this link and send
Yeah,
me
that's much better. So I can just go and get it. Yeah.
at any point of time you can hold on. So it's what is your WhatsApp? Can you ping me on WhatsApp?
Is that the one that
Yeah,
short that up 6 p.m.? Is that the one?
yeah, this one. Yeah, just ping that. Yeah. So this is video number 1. Okay. Then we have a video number 2. It's easy for you to go and revisit, right? Now it's a video number 3. And then we have a video number. Yeah. So all 4 videos now in your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now you can go to Azure. I believe in Azure your service is ready. You see that? You go to the resource ready. Click that go to resource.
Mhm.
Very good. Now you see that in this side there is an URL. Okay. Just click the URL. Pratik. Very good. So this is a default website
Mhm.
which is running inside an app. You have not installed any virtual machine this time, right? You have not
Oh, okay. Yeah.
installed any web server like IIS and Apache, but you still have a website running. Okay. Now let's make a small changes in this website so that we should go. So when you scroll down,
Mhm.
you see there is one option called development tool. It's not coming because we have selected Java. Okay, so let me delete this one. Create a new website by your own name. What is the name you have given? Pretty tender.
Yeah.
Create a new website with the name, let's say TPCS. Okay,
Okay.
yes, I'm watching. And this type select ASP.NET. Just go to the app service. So just click create new app.
Are we doing TCPS or?
Yeah, TPCS, TPCS, yes, and make TPCS app. Just say app. Good. So now in a code, this time take ASP.NET. Last time we taken Java. This time we select ASP.NET in a runtime stack version 4.8. Yeah, good. Select HTTPS in the region. Cool. Now just click review and create. Now, what is your understanding so far about the cloud, Anju? I just give you 3 sampling of virtual machine, a storage, and then yeah, it's all done. Click go to the resource. Good. Have your website browse. You get a URL. Cool. So now your website is also running, default website. Now let's go and make some changes. So go back to the website, go back to the Azure portal, scroll down till you see a developer tool on a menu side. Yeah, yeah, scroll down. No, not this side, not this side. On a menu side. Yeah.
I was there before.
Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. No, I think you scroll down too much. Just go up a little bit. Monitoring. Then
Yeah.
yeah. Development tool.
Yeah.
Okay. In a development tool, now you see that there is something called App Service Editor Preview. Okay. Okay. Just click this one. Click go. Now it will let you to edit the code directly from the portal itself. Cool. Now you see that same www root. You remember when we install a web server, it create a
Mm.
inet pub. Within the inet pub, we have a www root, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Within the www root, now there is a HTML file. Just click that HTML file, host, hosting start.html. Click that one within the www
Oh
root.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Now this is a code which is running currently. Okay.
Mm.
Let's make a very small change in this code. And here I am saying that instead of a hey app service developer, just say this website created by Preeti. Okay. Now it's saying saved down the top. Okay. Now let's go and refresh the website again. And now it's coming.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So this is how you any developer will run their website. Any developer will create the code and then the code will go and upload it in a website. Okay. For that, we have a two option. Option one, we create a virtual machine, install the web server, then we put our code there. Okay. Option
Mm.
two, option two, we just use the app service. In an app service, you do not have to create a virtual machine. You do not have to install any application. Just connect your code with the this particular website, right? So if you
Yeah.
see in this website, in this app, we have something which is called a deployment center. You see here,
Yeah.
in this deployment center, we have an option to connect this website with my GitHub. Look at that,
Yeah.
right? And it since I have already have an account in my GitHub and it is my Azure is already connected with my account. So it is already taking my name, right? So when I click here, click continue, click continue, click continue. Now in a repository, just drop down, select the second one, click continue. Now what you did, click finish. You actually connecting your app service in Azure with my code repository where I have store all my website code, and then my app service will go connect with that repository and it go and download complete code into the app service automatically, and it will launch my website. Just see what will happen when it finishes the whole process. So it's running the deployment command. It's done. Can you go and refresh the website, which is open in a third screen?
This one?
Yeah, just refresh it. Correct.
Yeah.
So it get the code directly from my GitHub repository. GitHub repository is a place where I have stored all my code. Okay. So this is how you can use Azure. This is how the customer is going to use Azure, right? So
Yeah.
now if I ask you that, what is your high level understanding about the Microsoft Azure? What is this exactly is all about? Just try to define it.
Uh, that your
What you do with the Azure? You are going to shopping the fruits, vegetable.
mm,
Yes.
no, you creating a virtual
Creating
machine and also
a
uh,
storage,
a web server. Like you're creating a web server
right? Exactly.
and uh, and you also uh, creating and deploying it.
Exactly. So it means that when we say Azure, it is like a service, right? Just like
Yeah.
you go to any restaurant, it give you a menu, right?
Yeah.
What do you want? Same
Yeah.
like that, when you log into Azure, it also give you a menu. Do you want virtual machine? Do you want a storage? Do you want app service? Do you want any other kind of a service like a database, right? So it
Yeah.
means that you have to use this service and you are going to pay for the service.
Yeah.
Correct, no? Right?
Yeah.
So it means that Azure is a kind of a cloud which provide you the service related to the IT,
Yeah.
right? It does not sell vegetable, it does not sell TV and fridge. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct, no? Right? So it
Yeah.
means that it is a cloud, but it is a IT platform cloud.
Okay.
Correct, no? Right?
Yeah.
So now I I hope that you have a good understanding about Azure, but not only Azure. Before Azure, what was the scenario? When there is no cloud, then people use the virtualization concept, right?
Yeah.
Before virtualization, what is there? Then people using the physical servers, correct? Huh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is how the journey has been moved. Now, from Monday onwards, we start deep diving into each of the topic in detail. Okay,
Okay.
just to make you understand. But before that, you should be now watch and review the videos maybe 2 3 times to
Yeah.
have at least a basic understanding clear. Okay,
Yeah.
that with Azure, what are suppose you should do. This is only the 10% of service I talked about today, but there are
Yeah.
many services which is available in Azure. It's a menu, right? It's a huge menu. You
Yeah.
have 360 plus services available in Azure, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So just watch through this all videos, and then
Mhm.
we are going to connect in a Monday, which is your Sunday.
Uh,
Do you want to
I
connect
thought it
on
was.
Monday?
I thought it was Monday. My Monday morning. Is that what?
Oh, it's what? That's no problem. Okay.
No. Yeah, because I thought Saturday,
Understood.
Sunday, you
Yeah, yeah,
5 days.
yes, exactly. No worry. So maybe you can. We will connect on Tuesday. In the meantime, you review the
No,
video at
no.
least
My
2, 3
my
times.
Monday morning. Is that what it is?
Yeah, exactly. Your Monday morning.
Okay.
It is
Yeah, my
Tuesday.
Monday.
Okay.
And also, if you can, like copy the today's video too. I will
Yeah.
look at it.
Anyhow, I'm
Yeah.
going to do it on Sunday. So all
Okay.
videos for every classes I'm going to upload. Okay. So I upload your video, this today video also. Okay.
And you have to do it in WhatsApp because the other one didn't.
Yes, exactly. Definitely, I will.
All right.
Okay. Okay. So happy weekend.
All
Enjoy
right.
the
Thank
day.
you so much.
Good.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.